Hello guys, in this video we will explain how to create a logo with artificial intelligence for free. All you have to do and follow the steps explained in this video, but before broadcasting in the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and thank you from the heart to everyone who does it. Now let's go to the explanation. The first step, my friend, is to go to any browser you have and write in the browser's search engine the name of the site that appears to you now. After that, you click on the first search result. The site will be expanded for you like this. Now all you have to do is click here and write the name of the logo that you want to create. For example, I will write the name of my channel to make a logo from it. After that, I will click on Search or click on Submit a request now. You can also choose the color range and choose the scope of work and marketing phrases. You can customize the logo as you want. I will do the process quickly. Click on Submit a request now and wait. In a few seconds, as you can see, many logos were made for me. I choose which one I like and download it or take a screenshot of it. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, problems or suggestions, write them in the comments and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.